With this method, which I'll share with you today, you can earn thousands of dollars each week, and it's sent straight to your PayPal account. Amazing, right? So check this out. In here, $2 are being sent to my PayPal account every 60 seconds. In this video, I'll teach you how this is done without incurring any upfront costs. So make sure you stay until the end of this video so you can also start earning. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The first step is to head on over to YouTube since it is free and can be accessed from anywhere. The videos will not be shot by you. They will not be uploaded to YouTube, and you will not need a channel to achieve this. Finding other channels like our own Money Anytime, where you may make money online, is as simple as doing an internet search. I'm allowing you to do whatever you want with my channel as part of your online money-making strategy. You can also do this with many channels at once. Open up different online money-making channels just like what you see on the screen right now, and then keep them open just like this. The first thing you'll need to do for this technique is to sign up for a new account on Facebook.com. A new Facebook account is something you should do even if you already have one. After you have established your account, the next step is to navigate to the Sniply.io website. Sniply is a tool that lets you insert your custom call to action button into almost any online content. I will explain exactly how we'll use this no-cost resource to make $2 in 60 seconds. Simply head over to Sniply.io, where you will find a sign up button at the top right, and fill out the required fields. Click that and you will be brought here. Registering for this site only requires you to fill out some basic information. As soon as you sign into your Sniply account, a video guide will begin playing to help you get started. You are free to watch it, but if you aren't interested, you may simply dismiss this window. Click this button and this will be your dashboard. Later, they will show you the key features of this site. Now move on to step number 3, which is to head back to YouTube and open up that channel in the Make Money Online niche. In this case, let's use a video from our library. If you want to learn how to generate money online, all you have to do is check out the videos. Now, all that is required of you is to find some videos with the word free somewhere in the title. This indicates that there is no financial commitment required for that technique to be successful. If I want to use this one, for instance, all I have to do is right-click on the video itself and select Copy Link URL. Then, return to the Sniply tool and input your URL where it says Enter URL. To make a snip like this, simply copy and paste the URL into the box below. Then hit the Create Snip button. Therefore, we are incorporating a call to action into that video. From those, we will choose the next set of CTAs to implement. Any previously established brand profile can be selected here. It's time to write your message here. As you can see, here is the message, and this is the button that represents our call to action. Before we move on, I would love for you to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video so far. And don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can see more of our amazing videos. Now, let's get moving. Now, I want you to leave this exactly as it is and continue to the fourth step. Simply type fplus.com into your browser to get there. fplus is a CPA offers network that provides users with access to thousands of unique CPA offers, the majority of which are made available all over the world in countries such as the USA, Canada, the Philippines, India, and Pakistan. These deals can be accessed from any part of the globe. In case you didn't know, previously CPA refers to cost per action. Therefore, you may acquire several referral links for various deals over here. Individuals need to become qualified leads mostly by providing contact information, email, name, etc. Depending on how much effort you put into filling it out, you can earn a wide range of payments. They never have to buy anything. You will get rewarded for being a qualified lead even if they don't make a purchase. If you're interested in this strategy, head to the homepage of fplus.com and type surveys into the search bar. Therefore, we are concentrating on survey offerings, and as you can see, we may earn anywhere from 40 cents to $2 and even $11 for each person who signs up for a survey website by clicking on our affiliate link. For instance, we're about to launch a slew of on-screen deals that you can explore right now. People can see that they need to come over here and register using some very simple information, and we'll earn $2 if you bring in new users that sign up for free. It's much simpler to convince someone to sign up for your website when they don't have to spend anything but have the potential to make money by taking surveys. Therefore, that's the easiest and simplest approach to make money online. Choose some offers like this one right here, and you'll make $2 for each sign up. Please click the Join Network button to continue to this page and become part of the Offers Network. You can get your affiliate link for that deal, and then you can cash out to your PayPal account or other accounts depending on the network you're using. Now that I have my affiliate link for that offer copied from this network, let's assume this is my affiliate link. Before I show you the next step, let us know what you think of this method so far by leaving your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, let's get back to our video. Step number 5 is to go back to Sniply. You are going to input your message right here, and I recommend typing something along the lines of "Get money online with this website for free." Of course, if you'd like, you can include alternative calls to action. Then you may swap out the current content for something like "Join here," "Learn more," etc. Then replace it with your affiliate link, as that is the most important piece. Select it, replace the current text with your affiliate link, and hit enter. Now when they click your link, you will be taken to a page where they can sign up for free, and you will earn $2. Simply go down to the bottom of the page and click the Continue button. The button, if desired, can then be modified. After that, all you have to do is hit the Complete CTA button and wait for it to load. We finally got our Sniply. Here, allow me to demonstrate what that might appear to be. You just copy the link to your Snagit account from here and paste it. So this is what it actually appears to be like. And once someone begins watching this video, they will be able to view the button that you have provided as a call to action down below. If they click that link, they will be taken to a registration page where they can create an account and begin earning money for filling out surveys. It's a situation in which everyone benefits. You not only assist them in making money through the use of this website, but you also receive a payment of $2 for each new user that you bring on board. Get ready to see an uptick in visitors and sales after we get the word out about your website. To find relevant groups on Facebook, you need to head back to the account you made at the beginning of the video. Copy your Sniply link, and then search for relevant groups in the earning money online niche. These groups may be related to those who do remote work. Pick the groups you're interested in, and you'll find hundreds of thousands of people like yourself interested in generating money online. To do this, simply make a post along these lines. If you want to earn $12,000 every week for free, just fill out the form below, and I'll send you a detailed video guide. Seeing that will encourage people to start interacting with your content. Once they engage with your post, you may then give them the link. Your Sniply link will take them to a video where they can view your CTA, which reads "Earn free money with this website." They click on it, you make $2 if they join, and it's a win-win situation. So that wraps up our video today. How much do you think you would earn from this strategy I've shared with you today? If you've got any questions, feel free to leave them below, and we will try to answer them. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.